Okay po, once again, a journey to each and everyone. Nagalitan ko pong dumating na ang ating very special guest from Jollytown. Kaya naman muli ko po sinitahan si Mama Zenny at si Ate Rochelle at si Ma'am Rosalie. Yan, dito po. Yan, samahan niyo po rin magbilang ng 10 back to 1. Yan, sige po.
That's all, boys. Apat babae.